Have you ever noticed how anime protagonists never procrastinate? Meanwhile, we sit around thinking, I'll do it later, and later never comes. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle, using the same mindset as your favorite anime characters? Stick around till the end, because I'll share a psychological hack that could change everything. Anime protagonists don't have time to procrastinate, because something important is always at stake. Luffy isn't scrolling through Instagram. He's fighting to become the Pirate King. Rock Lee isn't putting off training. He's proving he can be a great ninja without ninjutsu. The question is, what's at stake for you? Our brain is wired for survival, not productivity. When you procrastinate, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain wants to avoid discomfort. Science shows that tasks requiring focus drain mental energy, while scrolling, gaming, or watching anime give instant dopamine hits. Your brain chooses the easy reward. A 2018 study published in Psychological Science found that the brain's prefrontal cortex, responsible for self-control, struggles against the limbic system, which seeks instant pleasure. This is why studying feels like a battle, but you can reprogram your brain. How to stop procrastinating? The reason anime characters act is because they have something to lose, so create consequences for yourself. Tell a friend you'll pay 500 rupees if you don't complete your work. Now, procrastination has a cost. Ever noticed how anime geniuses always have a plan? Instead of saying, I'll study later, schedule exact tasks, solve 5 physics problems from 5 to 5:30 p.m. Your brain follows clear instructions, not vague ideas. Parkinson's law states, work expands to fill the time available. Give yourself 2 hours and your brain will waste time. Give yourself 30 minutes and you'll focus. Set tight but realistic deadlines to trick your brain into action. Rock Lee made a rule. If I can't do 100 push-ups, I'll do 200 sit-ups. Apply this to your studies. If you don't finish your homework, no anime, no phone, no snacks. Simple, but effective. What if studying felt like leveling up in a video game? I've built an anime-themed Notion template to make productivity fun. And here's the best part. Once we hit 200 subs, I'm dropping it for free. There's a version of you that never procrastinates. That version exists, waiting for you to step up. But the question is, will you? Or will you stay stuck in a cycle of regrets? The choice is yours. Subscribe for more.
I never answer to no, man, I still go.